Hey guys, so we're going to be looking at BTS's Behind this D-Icon book. It reminds me a lot of the CECI magazine book they did. It does come with postcards and almost like it looks like a deck of cards. So let's just peel this on open. Look at the cards at the end. Oh, this is pretty thick. I wonder when they actually did the photos for this, though. Oh. You can't really see these ones in the creased area. I always loved Suga with his light hair. Suga is basically my bias, yet not my biased. He kind of has chosen me because I always get his photo cards and all the albums and everything. Ugh, I love BTS. I've been watching their behind the stage clips that people have been posting. I watched the first episode since it was free, but I don't want to get YouTube Red just for the one show. I just don't think it's worth it. But after a while, usually the episodes become free, so I figured I'd just watch the clips and then just wait. J-Hope. That is a weird collar, how far down it goes. I feel like there's going to be something in this book, because I can see this little gapped bump area. I feel like he's about to break out into his Boy Meets Evil dance. Jin. I love these little drawings, they're too cute. Whatever location they went to, it's really nice. Let's say you can't make it nothing. Okay. For a minute there, I thought they kind of like merged their two faces together. I was like, ah. This kind of gets me so excited for their now, what would it be now, 4 book? Because it usually comes out around the summertime. Oh, they changed the texture of the paper. Kind of went more glossy. Oh, this is probably like an interview. Yeah, interview. Not Today, one of my favorites, especially when I'm having a bad day. I'll be like, Not Today, Refuse. Save Me, one of my favorites. That song gets, sometimes when I'm in such a down mood and Save Me comes on, it gets me so emotional. I love that song. Behind the Scene. I do love their new logo, like a lot though. So it's gonna be like the behind of making this, their photos. Right? I don't know, because Arm's got purple hair. Sugar is too good looking. I like it because right now for their new album they all have the same hair color. It feels so weird seeing them all look that way. Cookie's learning the drums. I do quite like the purple hair. Oh, of course. I was gonna say this is gonna probably be in here at least once. Oh, Jen. Our handsome boy. Ooh, yeah, the Billboard Music Awards. I think they're going this year as well. Avi. It looks very like runway-ish. Like he's doing a runway walk. I got little Jungkook here in the corner, or not the corner, the crease. Shoe with that blue hair, loved it. Oh, this must have been from it's DNA, but I think it's their Love Yourself album, the first one. Ooh, that's kind of a cool fact. Whoever picked these photos and put this book together did a great job. I'm loving the variety of like close-up shots and more far-away shots. Jimin. Wow, this is a cool effect too. Kind of makes me want to go back and actually look at the album again, the photo book. DNA. Jin. Ah, the AMAs, yeah. Where they performed DNA. I was kind of hoping they were going to perform Mic Drop. Because I like Mic Drop a little bit more than DNA. We're almost at the end. It makes me sad. I just love BTS photo books. They're always so beautiful. Oh, she goes back to his blonde hair. Can't wait for the next August D album though. Oh, what's this? Hands. Yeah, the DNA. I just love that part of the dance too. Or the part where they all kind of connect and do like the whole little wave swirl thing. I love that part too. Okay, so there's the big old photo book. Huge, but like I said, you do get some extras. So let me just push this here to the side. Alright, so first we have the postcards. I'll go through these first. Probably put these in my binder too, my collection binder. So we got B, looking good, and then the backs I think are just gonna have your normal postcard look. They're really thick too and nice. Got a nice matte texture. Alright, so then there's the postcards. And then finally, like these little, like Deca cards-ish. Let's see. Right here. Let me zoom in since they're so small. Alright, there we go. Just so you can see them a little bit better. So they're double-sided, which is nice, and there's the same kind of thickness as the postcards. I wonder if these will probably fit in a nice 4-pocket sleeve though. Or maybe I'll just make one custom. Maybe we can do 3x3. It's almost like we kind of got like the DNA theme and then like a photo from the actual magazine book. They added some cool effects to it though. Jin. I don't really have like 100% bias with BTS. It's just I just love them all. It's too hard to choose. But I always joke that Suga's my bias since I always get his photo cards. Because sometimes with groups, it's like you want to choose a specific person, but over time, someone else kind of chooses you. Whether you get their cards all the time or just something about them that just keeps catching your eye. But I like all of BTS. Everyone at my job knows about BTS. Because I always send like little gift things and stuff about them. Or like in group chats. Ooh. That's really pretty. And there it all is. I'm not going to zoom back out, but I really like it. I think it's 100% worth it. The photos were just beautiful. Like I said, when I was flipping through it, whoever put it together did an amazing job because you had a great variety. I loved seeing the behind the scenes photos. It kind of reminded me a little bit of, like I said, the Burn the Stage, which is the YouTube Red show that BTS is doing. For their Wings tour, but I love the little extra goods and how it wasn't like you'd get a random photo card, because it was pretty pricey on its own to get, so if you had to try and then collect a set of photo cards, game over. It's kind of like with season greetings, I think. But I thought the postcards were really, really pretty. I loved how thick the cards were, which means they are pretty durable, which is nice. But I'll probably put these in my binder collection, just so I don't have to kind of put them back in the magazine. But let me know your thoughts of the photos and the book, and if you guys got a copy, I'd be interested to know in the comments down below. But like, subscribe, and share, and until my next video, bye guys.